Goody Two Shoes checking in. If you're new to the channel, show me some love and go ahead and hit that subscribe button and click the bell icon so you can get notifications whenever I drop some new content. I got some guests joining me on set today.
So sad.
We're ready to unbox this, so let's go. Oh yes. These are the Jordan 4 95 Neon. This is a clean shoe. Jordan Brand did a good job of paying homage to the Air Max 95 classic colorway. Next day was on March 26. Nike released the Air Max 90 and the Air Max 2090 duck camo colorway. At the end of the day, you really can't go wrong with a pair of Air Maxes. I mean, the comfort is there, the style is there. If I had to pick a favorite Air Max silhouette, that's hard. I'd probably have to say 95. It's between the 95 and the plus, because I want to know in the comments below, what's your favorite Air Max silhouette? As always, I'd like to thank you for watching, and I'll see you next time.